Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying prerequisites. Make sure your Roblox client is current and you have appropriate permissions. Once done, download the latest infinite yield script and quickly scan for threats. This protects your system. Next, open a compatible executor and attach it to the Roblox process. Find the process name and confirm memory access. Make sure to disable overlays that interfere. You're acting now to prepare the environment so the injection step goes smoothly and consistently. No guesswork. Once attached, paste infinite yield into the executor editor and execute it. You should see a success or loaded message. If errors appear, read the first line and recopy the script. Typos break execution. Now, run a harmless command like printing player list to confirm responsiveness. Then move to core commands such as teleport or server management, testing one at a time. Vary pacing, test, confirm, then proceed, so you understand what each command does and why it works in that session. To finish, cleanly close the executor and detach from the Roblox process. This reduces detection risk. If something goes wrong, restart Roblox and reattach the executor, then paste a fresh copy of the script. Corruption often causes silent failures. Make sure to capture any error messages or screenshots. They help diagnose mismatches between script and client version. Finally, update both script and executor as needed, and when in doubt, test in a private server so you don't affect others while troubleshooting.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.